Hey guys, here's how to make a kick-ass kimchi-jeon. You don't need fancy frying mix or pancake mix, just a regular all-purpose flour is good. But if you want to make it super good, add chapsalgaru. Adding sweet rice flour will make it extra crispy outside and deliciously chewy inside. Add salt and sugar. Fine gochugaru is optional, but this gives a gorgeous red color. Mix well together. You want well-fermented kimchi that's just starting to have the sour taste, but not overly sour. Add chopped green onions and chili peppers and mix it up. Use cold water for crispy texture. Ice cold is even better. Add kimchi juice first. If you don't have kimchi juice, just add more water, more salt, and gochugaru. Add in the water gradually to achieve this consistency. Once water is added, just barely combine things together because mixing it too much will form gluten that will make the texture soggy and dense. Taste the batter and add more salt if needed. Find the just right amount of oil for your pan and the pancake size. If you don't have enough oil, it won't be crispy. If you have too much, it will be greasy. Preheat the oil on medium heat first. When you put the hand close to the pan, it should feel hot and you'll see waves forming on the surface. Add the batter and spread around as thin as possible. Move the pancake around the pan so the oil can get to the middle. If you don't do this, you'll end up with a soggy middle part. Once the edge gets golden brown, flip, or you can peek to see if it's ready. It should be pretty easy to flip with a spatula, or you can show off, but make sure there's no oil left in the pan. If it seems too dry, add a little more oil and move around the pan again. Once the bottom is golden brown, transfer to a plate. You can cut with scissors or pizza cutter to serve, but I actually think ripping it apart with chopsticks makes it more delicious. Pair with some makgeolli, which is delicious Korean rice liquor. 바삭바삭. 쫀득쫀득. Recipe and tips on my IG. 넌 할 수 있어. 화이팅!